Today is so wonderful, and some ice cream makes it even better. This is the best feeling in the world. Ow! Hey, what was that? Oh, wow, there's a note. Looks like it's from Steve. Aha!
Sam, the warden is attacking me. Oh no, my axe! Please revive me and rebuild my house. We'll defeat him together.
Good macaroons. Steve's in trouble? Sue! Hey, Sue! Where are you?
Hey, Sammy. It's still too early. Did you have a nightmare?
Worse! A terrifying monster has attacked Steve.
Oh, no. We have to fulfill his wish then. Are you ready?
You prepare everything at the crafting table, and I'll check out that place again. These blocks look unusual. Oh, I see. It turns out they form a trail. Boing, boing, Sam is coming. Huh? A tablet? Does Steve want me to play Minecraft? Sue, Steve wants me to bring this tablet here. Can we use it for our craft?
Wow! Great find, Sammy. We can use this tablet to create all the textures we need. But we need something to draw on this tablet. Can you look for it?
You know I'm ready for that, Sue. In fact, I've already prepared the whole thing. Pirate Sam is on his way. Let's see. Oh, what a beautiful pencil. This thing also has the potential. Check it out. One of these might be just the thing we need, Sue.
Nope. None of these work. Could you go look for something else?
Holy cannoli, I've never seen a pen this charming.
Let me see.
Hey!
Ha! This is just what we need.
Hey, let me try that pencil too.
Here, show me your skills.
Trust me, not a single soul in this world can match my drawing. Ta-da!
Ha! Sammy, I don't think that Steve's body is shaped like a unicorn.
Actually, that's what they call an artistic vision. But whatever.
Here, let me try. Awesome! But still, something is missing here.
Maybe this bucket of paint will help? Steve's stuff never ceases to amaze me. It can be used for anything.
Shiver me, Cheddars. Sammy, are you okay?
No need to worry about me, Sue. Better check out what I can do now.
Wow, that's incredible. I'm sure Steve will love it.
I agree. Everyone must love a chest in their home, including me.
We'll make one for you, later.
Really? Cool. Now let's bring these textures to life. Come on out! Pretty please!
Let me handle it. If you break it, we will never be able to help Steve.
You should see my magic trick then. Abracadabra. Uh-oh. Ouch! Where am I? Is this the Minecraft world? No!
Come here, you little slime. What are you doing here?
Oh, my feta. Hello. I have to get back to my world right now to save Steve.
In that case, you should take this book.
Ow!
It has everything you need.
Wow. Are you serious? Okay. Thank you very much, good sir. Now please take me back to my world.
What a funny fella.
Sam, there you are. Where have you been?
You won't believe it anyway. At least I brought the textures.
I hope you're ready for the next part then. Help me to fold this one, Sammy.
Folding is one of the easiest things to do. Huh? Where's that noise coming from? Wow, look at this place. Don't worry, Steve. I will help you defeat the nasty Warden.
Guys, make sure to fold every part of the texture. It makes our next step easier. Right, Sammy? Sam, where are you? Maybe he went for some cake. Now we need to secure each piece with some glue. I need something to spread it.
These blocks might have something valuable inside. Chop, chop! A stick? Interesting. How about this? These things could make a special sword if I combine them. Sue, check it out. What an elegant sword, isn't it?
You've just made an ear swab, and it's just what I need.
So that stuff is more than just a sword?
just look at this? So convenient. Steve's body is ready.
Let's put it together then. Wait, what? Why can't I do this?
Because we need connectors. Sam, do you have anything for us to create some holes?
Steve gave me a lot of cool stuff for my birthday. He's such a good friend.
Wow, this box does contain a lot of useful stuff. Let's use a toothpick this time. Now, I'll roll some paper like this to make small tubes. Let's seal them with sticky tape. Huh? Where is it? Sam, did you use my tape?
I did not, but Sam Noir will find it for you. The evidence leads to this place. Hey, what's going on? No one will believe what's just happened to me.
Gotcha! We need just a piece of it.
Don't worry about me. I'm all right, or at least I will be soon.
Here we go. And a tube/connector is ready. Could you take them to their places?
You can trust me with that, Sue.
Great. And I will use the toothpick again to create some more holes. Everything is ready. Now we can put all the parts together.
Finally, I will see my buddy Steve.
There! See? He can even dance.
Did someone say dance? No one can take my throne as the dancing king. I entrust the chest to you, Sue. I'm going to go make a huge feat.
Alrighty. But what exactly are you going to make?
See? That was supposed to be a secret. But I promise my masterpiece will make your eyes pop.
Here we go. The next is the assembling. You know the drill, guys. Voila! It was easy, right?
The chest looks appealing, Susie. But you should see what I made. It's a house for Steve.
Sammy, it's wonderful. I'm sure you could make a great architect. But I know just the thing to make this house look even better.
Can't you just leave it like that? My masterpiece is already perfect.
Oh, come on, Sammy. It wouldn't be called a house without this. Just give me a few more seconds.
Fine. I will go with your plan this time.
There. This house feels so comfy and lovely, doesn't it?
Nope, not yet. Not until we've put everything we've made inside.
The chest will look charming over here. Do you agree?
Yep, and we can put all of Steve's gear in it. Maybe we could put my cat coins in it too?
Sammy, this is not your piggy bank. Now, how about a bed? Steve could use a moment to relax on it.
Don't forget the lantern.
Right. Good thinking, Sammy.
And now, the finishing touch.
Sammy, this is Steve's house, not yours.
Let me prove to you that Steve and I can share this house. I could sleep all day on this bed. Oh no, I couldn't! It's too stiff! Okay, at least the chest should work out just fine. Wait! Sue! Help me get out of here! Sue, I'm stuck!
How could this happen to you?
All I know is that a Minecraft house is definitely not built for a slime.
Good thing that we didn't make it for you then. This place is all yours, Steve.
Finally! But why hasn't Steve said a word yet? Something must be wrong.
Maybe his memory loss?
Oh, what if you are right, Sue? Repeat after me, buddy. Letter A.
A.
Letter B.
B.
Letter D.
D. Oh, hi, Sam.
Yay! Sue, did you hear that? It worked. Oh, I'm so happy. Steve's back.
Back? Did I go anywhere?
Steve! Oh, I missed you so much, my friend.
Sam, Sue, you guys are so talented. This is the best Minecraft house ever. Hey, Sam, let's team up to defeat the Warden.
That's the best idea ever. Let the party begin.
Look, that's the mob. We will get back at him with a very easy trick. Hey, the Warden, over here. Sam, do your thing.
I'm your target, you evil monster. Catch me if you can. Steve, that's your cue.
That's what you get for attacking me.
Nice work, buddy. The mission's clear. Now, I know we had cake somewhere.
And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.
Hey, Sammy, I think we need more diamonds and wood. Also, we will need...
Steve, it's a creeper. Watch out! Shiver me cheddars.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Game rules and everything, huh? Hey, what the...
Uh-oh, what have I done? You monsters, I'm not afraid of you.
Are you a chicken jockey or something?
Actually, chicken jockeys are super strong, Sue.
Has the game seeped into reality? Oh, what a cutie.
What are you doing? It's a poisonous spider. Anyway, to get things back to normal, we need to make 10 super crafts.
Does it have to be 10?
That's what the chicken told me, right, buddy? First thing we have to do is find my friend, Steve. It says he should be around here somewhere. Ouch! I wonder what's inside. Oh, my tibidaba. It's Steve.
What's up, guys?
Steve, buddy, I will save you.
Hey!
Okay, it looks like we're gonna need some fasteners. See? Right there.
As an experienced super crafter, I know all about assembling. Here you go.
Great! Let's do this. What?
Hey, where are you going? Stop right there.
I'm sorry. My legs are aching for a run.
I will get them. Sue, now! I'm exhausted from all that running.
Hope you're not too tired for the next craft. To catch a bee in that bottle.
What?
The bee can't get through the bottleneck, so we're gonna have to cut the bottle open.
There's no way that the second craft is a bee. Bees are dangerous.
They also make honey. Yum!
Don't tell me you're doing this for honey.
It won't be easy to lure a bee into our bottle. That's why we need a Minecraft bee pattern.
Do you want me to draw you a bee? No problem. Here's the perfect bee.
It doesn't look like a Minecraft bee to me.
Do you even know how they look? It's perfect. I'm telling ya.
I think Steve is right, Sammy. This doesn't look... Huh? Okay, then. Now that was lucky. Here comes our Minecraft bee in a jar craft.
Every bee needs flowers, don't you think?
You're right. Good thinking, Steve.
Finally, honey! Yummy yum!
I knew it. All right, let's focus, people. The sun is setting. We need to keep an eye out for monsters.
Hi there.
Duh! Sue, run! It's a creeper!
A creeper? I know what a creeper looks like. I can even make one out of these things.
Then let it be our third Minecraft DIY. So, here we go. Huh? What? Oh, no!
Don't be afraid. Steve is here to save the day.
Thanks, buddy. We wouldn't do it without you. Abracadabra boom!
Well, what do you say?
I think I'd better add a little bit of Steve magic. Voila!
Looks a lot like a creeper to me. What's going on?
The game is out of control! Sue's glitching! What do we do?
Sam, listen to me. We have to make the bracelet.
The bracelet, huh?
Hey, what are you talking about?
Uh-oh, it's worse than I thought. Duh! Don't worry, Sue. I'll save you. This bracelet will keep you in the game. Ah, no way. It's like my crafting skills are too good for that.
Step aside. Oh, well. I guess I don't have any skills at all. What do we do now?
I think we need... Huh? Chicken?
Oh, okay. Here goes nothing. Brr, I feel so much better, but I don't think this will last.
Who's a good chicken? Who's a good chicken? It's you.
Alrighty, let's try this.
Don't forget to make a strap.
And a creeper's head.
Hold on, guys. I think I got it. Well, how does it look?
It's when my crafter skills come in handy.
That's true. Okay, I should hurry up. There's hardly any time left. And done. Whew! This bracelet should help with the glitches, right? At least let's hope for that.
Guys, it's night already, and that means monsters are nearby. We need a lantern. A cobweb? A tree sapling? Ugh! Why do I have this useless stuff? I need to clean up my inventory.
Hey, wait a minute. These cubes would make a great lantern.
Are you sure about this?
I'm positive.
Alrighty then.
Sammy, we've got company.
Oh!
Guys, be careful out there, okay?
No way, zombie. You won't get through. Take that, you spider. Steve, how are you doing there? Oh no! Steve!
Wait, Sammy, why are we yelling?
Oh, that's right. Game rules. I forgot. Back to the fight then.
Sammy, can you take a second and help me with the craft?
Sure thing, Sue. Coloring is what I love the most. Here we go!
If I remember correctly, this should go here. But something is missing.
The top is missing, Sue. Here it is.
Thank you so much. Oh, look at our lantern. It's so beautiful.
No time to admire lanterns. We have to make the next craft. Hurry up!
Huh? What is all this? Some kind of a puzzle?
I know one thing for sure. It's not candy.
There's no candy in the world of Minecraft, Sammy.
If there's pumpkin pie, there must be candy too.
Guys, I got it.
So what is it?
A pumpkin pie?
No, guys, come on. Watch carefully. It's a flower. See?
Ooh, now I see it. But why is there a piece missing, huh?
What? But I remember gluing it on. Where did it go?
I think I know.
Don't worry, Steve found a spare part.
Oh, thank you so much. There! Our flower is ready. But still, who was that?
Enderman.
What now? Another origami? Boring.
Not boring. This will be a special origami.
Special? How so?
It's going to be an origami squish, just in time to replace my old one.
Oh, that's what you're up to. All right, I'll give you a new squish. But I can't do it without help. It